I'm Vinayak Nigam. I love building new things apart from front-end stuff too. Recently, I participated in a Google Chrome built-in AI challenge where we have to use Google Chrome's built-in AI APIs to create a website or an extension. I made WebSenseAI, which is basically a Chrome extension that uses AI to enhance browsing. So basically what it offers is it offers HTML to Markdown conversion, chat with your content, content summarization, and AI-driven content creation for a streamlined workflow. Without further ado, let's get started. This is the icon for that, and after clicking it you can see the UI. So UI is basically the home page is very simple. In the home page we can just select any element on our web page and then it will create the markdown output for it. For example, let's just select bullet points. What I had envisioned is that for selecting the element, it should offer a UI basically similar to the inspect element feature. If we select this, then it will just give us a notification that the markdown has been converted, and then you can see that it has been converted to a markdown, which is a star format for bullet points. So we can just copy it also if we want to paste it somewhere else. Seed idea for this was that basically LLMs give significantly more better output if we use markdown as an input, and then we can also use the chat feature to actually chat with the content in our page. So if you go to this page, then we can also just we can click on the chat, and in the chat we can just add context similar to how we selected elements in our web page. And let's just add the first 3 paragraphs. Let's just say we have to ask for this. Okay, so we can just paste our question in this. Here we can see that it has said based on context 2, Mary had a blithe personality. So context 2 for this for this paragraph, and in this it is clearly written she had a blithe personality. Let's move on to the create function. So basically this is a create page in which you can write something new or rewrite it. So basically it has template, tone and length. You can just specify the output format and the language you have to output. Currently English, Spanish, French and Hindi are supported. And let's just say I have to write a draft email to a bank. So if we click on the generate button, it will use the write API and it will basically draft an email for me. It will take some time, but it will just draft a very beautiful email, and you don't have to use like an external API or something, anything to do this, and you can just do it in the extension itself only. So you don't have to waste time switching tabs or something. If we say that the banker does not understand English, it understands Hindi only, so we can just generate it again also. This is actually a very good translation, which subject is basically विषय and wire transfer संक्रिय के संबंध में पूछताछ प्रिय. So that is actually very good translation for that. So for example, let's just say that my original English email was not very good, and it should have been more formal. So I can say that yeah, it was not very much formal and I have to rewrite this. So I will generate it, that it will rewrite the email and it will generate it to be more formal. You can just basically just copy it and just do away with it, and you can also reset it and do it again. So this was the create feature. Now let's just go to summarization feature. Select an element either by the button, or you can just copy paste the text in the box itself. There are various options for summary, which is key points, paragraphs, bullet points, and which you want a summary type. And the summary format is marked, and the summary length is medium, that's fine. And summary style, yeah, that's the default is also. Let's just go with the generate summary option. It will use a summarizer API, and it has basically generated a very good summary for this paragraph. So Marie Curie was born in Warsaw. She excelled in studies at the Sorbonne. She earned a master's doctorate in physics. So this is actually a very good feature for if a large blog or something, or a large piece of text, you just want to summarize it and just see what's the basic key points or what are the basic things for the whole text. Then this is a very actually useful feature for that, and that is actually the whole extension. And I thank you for sitting through with it, and a special thanks to Thomas, who has helped me a ton in various things, and without him none of this would have been possible. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you, and bye bye.